All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Day 2 on our journey to buy a silent yacht. Yesterday bumped up a lot on the airlines and cruise stocks. It seemed like it was rotating into pre-COVID companies, and then today it just rotated right back, which is really crazy. This is Webull. I use Webull. This is where my main account that I'm transitioning out of. I have to turn it into a margin account. Right now it's a cash account. I have to close all these positions. It's kind of a mess, but anyway, so yeah, that's why I've been kind of using Robinhood now for everything. But yeah, you can see yesterday it was crazy. It was just running, and then this is just CCL, I guess, and then it just rotated back out. I know Norwegian Cruise Lines, yeah, so they just had a run up. But anyways, that's why the account was so green yesterday. You know, we were up here. But so what happened today was I closed out of my AMC covered call because I had a good till cancel buyback on the call. So that closed out. I paid $1 to get back out of it. I think I only made a few dollars on the premium. These SPY credit spreads, they expired. They expired out of the money. So I got the premium on that, which is nice. I opened this one up on Monday and we got the $45 credit for that. Opened this one up yesterday and got the 40 credit for that. You can see on this one, since it was all over the place, the SPY today's, it all came in today. At one point I would have had to pay back $15. So when you're selling premium, I feel like usually you always want to wait, unless if you're certain that you're just going to get, it's going to tank one way or the other and you're going to get exercised and have to spend money. But so far for me, it's just been, it's been waiting until expiration. I'm getting these pretty far out of the money, so I have like an 80-something% chance of success. I use E-Trade also. So here's on E-Trade, you can kind of see, this is the SPY chart, option chart. And then I have here a sell. This was an order I was setting up for today that I didn't do. I'll probably do it tomorrow, something similar. But I have selling a call that expires Friday, the 344 strike, and then buying a call same day at 345 strike. So at one point the mid was 4, and that would have given me $84 of premium. I was gonna have 21 of these contracts, which is a lot, but that's because it's just so far out of the money. If you look at the snapshot, you can see max probability profit is 90%. It was about 88 when I was looking at it before when I was going to do it, but so that's pretty high. And if you look at the SPY, so it'd have to close below 344 on the Friday. So if you look back at Webull, here's the SPY. Here's a daily chart. So I mean, it's almost all-time high. I was a little skeptical because once it passes the all-time high, there's really no more resistance. I'm like, it could kind of go crazy, but since it is the SPY and it's so balanced with all these companies, I don't think it's just going to go nuts like some companies do. It's an ETF. So I thought, 344. I don't see it going past that by this day. This is Friday. I mean, even if it has crazy good after hours and then tomorrow and then after hours, and even if it just goes nuts, yeah, I think we're still safe of being below that. The only thing that could shoot the SPY up like nuts would be a vaccine. And that is the one thing that's kind of in the back of your head when you're doing these. Like, okay, if one of these candidates comes out and successful vaccine, whatever phase trials are over, it could run up. I don't know how much, of course, no one does. But I mean, if you look at some history, like some of these days, like that's a crazy amount. It's 5, 6, 7, 8 points. It could run up quite a bit. This is over the course of a few days, of course. But yeah, the vaccine is one thing, but this is only 2 days. But I didn't open that position today. I'll open it tomorrow, and then it'll expire the next day. So give me a little bit more, a little less time, and then maybe I could even bring it down so it's closer to the money. So I won't have to sell so many contracts. 21's a lot. Yeah, and then let's see. So the AMC bought back, so I have to sell. I'm gonna sell a call on AMC tomorrow. What I like to do is I like to wait until. So if I own 100 shares of it, when I sell a call, I like to wait. I mean, I don't wait too long, but if the share price is going up, and if you're up 1, 2, 3%, then the calls are going to cost more money. So you're going to get more premium if you sell a call then. So I prefer it if the company is green on the day to sell a call on. So I sometimes wait. And then if I'm selling a put, I prefer if the company is red on the day, down a couple percent, because then the premium on those will be more. But yeah, tomorrow I'll probably sell a call on AMC, just to make a few bucks and try and get out of it positive. Let's see, Levi've got one here. These all expire. Let's see, these expire Friday. These two credit spreads expired today, so these are closed out. So we got that. That's nice. And then yeah, that's kind of the plan for tomorrow. I'll open up some more credit spreads probably, and then I also got into I got some AMD. I'm trying not to do as many naked options. It's too easy to. I don't know. It's just too easy to lose money, I feel like. But let me do this real quick. See what's going on. I got AMD. I got a 28 August call. Usually I go at least a month out on my expirations on contracts, but sometimes the premium just doesn't hit quick enough. And if I'm getting it on momentum, I might come up a couple, like maybe 20%, and then that's not enough for me to close it out. So then it'll go back down. And so I kind of decided to do a shorter time frame on this one. And then I got STZ, which is the beverage. Let's see, is that? It's not Coors. These guys have a really popular seltzer. Constellation is, which one is this? I can't remember. Oh, Corona on those. Modelo. Yeah, the Corona seltzer. All the seltzer ones are crazy. They've made those beer stocks go nuts. And then Qualcomm. So I'll wait on these, see what happens. I kind of wait until. So I'll show you. I'll give an example of when I get out of it. Today I got out of TAP. I had shares in TAP, which is Molson, which is Coors. So I use price action. I use MACD, the RSI, and then volume, and then moving averages mostly, and then I'll go on news. But typically I don't like to buy it if it's above, high on the RSI, or if the MACD is coming down, or if it's the 9 moving average is below the 180 moving average. Anyways, this isn't a video for that, but so this had I've been stuck in this one actually for a while. But if you see here, it crosses the MACD, and then you get big green candlestick off of the 9 moving average, showing a lot of strength. RSI is a little high there, but yeah, you could have grabbed this run. And then what I see up here is I see the long candle, or the long wick on top of that red candle. MACD is still good, but you see over there, it's also oversold. Sorry, overbought. And then it's kind of flattening out here. And then you see another long wick. And then also from here to here, that MACD is now crossed over. It's now, this is showing more bearishness, this MACD. So, and now that it's flat, I'm assuming this is going to start going down. 0.03% after hours. Not too super convincing, but yeah, I got out of this trade. So I kind of do that with options too. If I see it coming up here before the premium starts to dump, I'll try and get rid of it around this area if it's a call. If it's a put, same deal. This MACD. And then it even helps more if it's oversold or overbought on the RSI. But that's just a little run through my head on closing positions and getting into positions. This account on my Weebles, it's kind of a mess. I've got so many open contracts that are it's just a mess. Yeah. But I ended up paying too much premium around earnings, and yeah, I'm liking selling premium and swing trading shares or whatever. But these ones I'm gonna try and get out of. Kodak, I think, dropped today. But I've sold a covered call on that. It was pretty valuable. All right. That's it, guys. Make your money happy. Happy money. We'll get together and make babies. Then you'll have more money. Sub up, like up, comment down. See you tomorrow. Hopefully it's a green day for you guys, and you're being chill on the losses and chill on the gains. You don't want to get too stoked on the gains, or you don't keep it level. Stay level headed. Thanks, guys. Later.